Hey guys, so before this video starts, I just want to let you all know that I will be leaving links in the description on this video to websites where you can sign petitions and donate money towards bail for the protesters that were arrested while protesting for justice to be served for George Floyd. It is crazy to think that what is happening right now is real life. It doesn't seem real. And to the people who are out there currently protesting, I just want to thank you all for not backing down, even though there are people who are trying to constantly tear you down. And to the Black community, I'm sorry that our voices are still being ignored. We will continue to fight until we are heard. Change is going to come. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this purple eyeshadow look. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then keep on watching. To start everything off, I'm going to be priming my face using the antioxidant facial serum from Trader Joe's, and I'm just using this to get my skin ready for the foundation. The foundation I'm using today is the Bare Minerals Original Powder Foundation in the color Warm Dark 26, and to apply this foundation I am using the beautiful finish brush from Bare Minerals. First, I am tapping the powder into the cover and then taking the brush, swirling it in the powder, and then applying it to my face in circular motions. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Chestnut, and I'm just putting this right under my eyes, and then you're going to see me using this concealer brush from e.l.f. to blend it out. To set everything in place, I'm taking this Too Faced translucent powder and I'm applying it using this powder brush that I got from Sephora. I believe the number is 59, and I'm just applying this powder in the places that I tend to get the most oily throughout the day, which is my T-zone, under my eyes, and also around my mouth. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate, and I'm going to be using this with this angled brush that is also from Anastasia, and I am just first brushing out my eyebrows, and then you will see me start to fill in my eyebrows. To clean up my eyebrows, I am taking the same concealer that I used before, and I'm taking this round brush also from Sephora. I'm not sure which number it is, but I'm taking that concealer and just cleaning up the bottom half of my eyebrows only. So I ended up blending out the concealer that I put under my eyebrows, but I'm not sure why it didn't record, so I'm sorry about that. But now I'm just taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel and I'm just setting my eyebrows just so that nothing moves throughout the day. So if you've seen my other makeup videos, I usually prime my eyelids with an eyeshadow primer before I do the eyeshadow, but I actually ran out of it, so now I'm just using the same concealer that I used under my eyes to prime my eyelids, and I am just blending that out using this concealer brush. So the palette that I'm using in today's video is the Jackie Aina x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is one of my most favorite palettes I have owned, and I am going in first with the color Supreme, and I'm just packing that right into my crease. Next, I'm going into the color Pinker, and I'm going right on top of that pink that I just applied in my crease, and I am just mixing these two colors together to make this really nice pinkish shade. Now I'm taking the brush that the palette came with, and I'm going into this purple color called Big Wig. I'm using the flat side of the brush because I really want to make sure that I really pack on this color just so that I can get the full pigment, and I'm also applying this color right on to the bottom half of my lid near my lashes. Here I'm going back into the color Pinker and Supreme, and I'm just blending out the top half of this eyeshadow look, like right near the purple. I'm just blending that out just so that there's no harsh lines shown and that everything looks seamless and blended out. Again, I'm going right back into the color Pinker, and then I'm going to drag this right onto my lower lash line just to smoke everything out, and that it gives the eyeshadow look, I don't know how to explain it. It makes it look more put together, not really put together, but more smoky, I should say. So I quickly went off camera and put on some eyeliner, and if you guys want to know how I do my eyeliner, I will link a video where I show you guys how I do it above in the eye. It will pop up right here. So now you just see me putting on some mascara, and then I am all done. So we have come down to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did make it to the end of this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.